In this video we are talking about a couple of important information about the maintenance of the A-block light. This will be especially interesting for contractors, electricians and so on, whoever is changing or maintaining this A-block light, which is quite special compared to the other street lights that we have at the village.
So one of the things that you got to do is, you see this plastic bit, and if you want to do alterations you need to set the cable loose, the power cable. So you got to take that off and pull the cable a little bit more out. I won't do it now because it's a hassle to fiddle it in, but you just pull the cable out because it makes basically a loop in here to compensate for the cable up there, but because of the angle here and the smaller pipe up there with the adapter, the spare cable has to be in here. And so pull it out a little bit, and then when you pull the actual adapter and the light out, just fill it back in here slowly. Also bear in mind to seal all the little gaps up here and where the screw is. Put some sealant in and put some tape over it to ensure that no water is flowing in here. Same at the screw here, and you see up here all nicely sealed up with silicone, and then protected with tape. Excellent. So now we just move it back. Clip it in here. And screw the screw back on. And then tighten the screw at the bottom there.